Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classteacher.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is, while conducting routine maintenance, you discover a network server that needs to be replaced fairly soon. The server must be shut down during the replacement, which will affect office operations. The office manager asks for an update. What should you say? I found one server that needs to be replaced immediately. We should do it now, but I promise service will only be down for just a moment. Everything looked fine, but I found one server we need to replace. Can we find a time to schedule a replacement when it will affect the fewest people? I am sorry to report. Their answer, servers we will need to replace. I am replace it now. If you want to let the office know, service will be down for a bit. Like luckily on only one server needs to be replaced. I will send an email letting everyone know when to expect a service outage. I did notice a server that looks like it will need attention soon. We have some time before we need to replace it. Thug. The correct answer of the question, the most appropriate response considering the need for a server replacement and potential impact on office operations would be, I am sorry to report there's a server we will need to replace. I can replace it now. If you want to let the office know, service will be down for a bit. This response communicates the issue, offers a solution, and suggests informing the office about the expected service outage to minimize any potential distributions. It shows transparency and proactivity in addressing the situation. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.